Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will create GL account for withholding tax configuration. So go to transaction code FS00, then press enter. Click on create here. Select account as a balance sheet account and account group will be current liabilities, others. I am creating this GL account for 194C tax group. Then go to control data here, balance sheet in local currency, put a star here and go to the create interest bank tab here. Select the field status group here, G001, and check this box post automatically. We are not going to post direct transaction on this GL account. Then click save here. Now you can see this GL account is created. So we will use this GL account for the withholding tax configuration in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.